This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8271 DBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Joppa, Maryland, 21085 and is offered for sale by Chesaco RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a Driftwood Decor interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.